Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool, today offering you this stunning Volkswagen Transporter T28. This particular example is in fact the Highline short wheelbase model, finished here in optional Indium grey metallic colour and powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with a manual gearbox. In terms of equipment, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Starting with the front, stylishly designed front grille is further accentuated by chrome accents, and it even features daytime running lights to keep you visible on the roads at all times. As one of our approved used vehicles, this car will benefit with up to 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side here, stylishly designed alloy wheels will further complement the Indium grey metallic colour with bespoke transporter badging that can be found on the sides. Being a short wheelbase version doesn't mean it's not big. As you can see, there's plenty of storage space once the sliding door is revealed. There's wood paneling available on the wheel arches and the back for added reinforcement and protection, and also the front metal bulkhead will add added security. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, there's also stylishly designed transporter badging and even rear parking sensors. Once the tailgate is open, you can see for yourself how much space there is, and it even further benefits from LED ambient lighting. A quick glimpse in the front cabin will also reveal a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with a large touchscreen for all your entertainment needs, as well as comfortable front seats with additional side bolster supports. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Volkswagen Transporter. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Transporter Highline, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Stylishly and solidly designed cabin will feel quite nice, whilst the driver control panels are easy to reach. Featuring an auto self-locking function, wing mirrors are electrically operated, heated and even power folding for added convenience. Also, you'll benefit from automatic headlights and rain-sensitive wipers, which can always come in handy. The multifunction wheel can operate the trip computer and radio stations from the right side, with the left side operating the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter with volume. Digital speedometer will complement the analog dials very nicely, and various safety systems will be on offer such as speed limiter and even city emergency braking that will scan the road ahead. All your audio and music needs as well as Bluetooth telephony can be operated from the wheel whilst on the move. The compartment just above the top of the dash has even got storage for cup holders, documents and a 12-volt power socket, which can always come in handy, so there's plenty of nooks and crannies. The touch-sensitive touchscreen also features physical controls and will have all your entertainment needs covered with the likes of AM, FM and the DAB digital radio reception. You can scroll through those radio stations very easily, and media source functionality will also unlock various add-ons. Phone pairing process is also incredibly easy to follow, and you'll even have full benefit of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone interfaces. Additionally, vehicle settings will allow you to optimize and personalize this Transporter to truly make it your own one. And to help with parking, you'll be happy to know there are audible and visual parking sensors in the front and rear. Moving down the cabin, easy to operate air conditioning system can be used via the rotary dials, and it's great for the coming summer months. Moving down the cabin, there's also storage for cup holders and engine start-stop functionality, with even 2 USB Type-C chargers to keep your device's battery topped up at all times. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Transporter Highline that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 0151 515 2911 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.